What's up guys, welcome to Easy Drawing Club. So we'll be drawing a cartoon character today. We'll start from his head. We marked out a nice circle with a compass and just drawing over it with a marker. So this is his head and we're marking off his face mask. That's the bottom of the mask. Small curved line for his smiley mouth. Two small circles for his eyes and colored in black. So we are drawing his top of his mask now. So that's a double V shape at the top of his head. C shapes for his ears, one and the second one. Now we'll be drawing his body. So that's just a line down in angle and curve in. Same at the other side, line down in angle and curve in. We'll extend these two lines for his legs and connect them with a straight line. Two lines across his legs and his arms. That's again line down in angle and curve in. Same for the other arm, line down and curve in. Now we'll mark his belt. That's two straight lines across his body. And we are basically done. Just mark off his buckle and that's it. That's another two lines to mark his sleeves. Now you can color it in.